morning, boys and girls. How are you guys today?
Good.
Okay, my name is Teacher Charmaigne, and today we're going to be learning about patterns. Does anybody know what a pattern is?
Yeah.
What's a pattern?
A break.
A what? Okay, so I'm going to tell you what a pattern is. A pattern is something that repeats itself. So when it repeats itself, that means it happens how many times? Over and over and over again. How about we point out a pattern that we can see out here? What about the squares on the floor? Is that a pattern? Because you have what? What color is that one?
Rectangle.
What color is this one?
Rectangle.
Pink. It could be pink. It could be orange. And what color is this one?
Blue.
White. Blue. This one's blue?
No.
This square right here? What color is this one?
White.
I would say it's a little yellow.
Red.
How about we say that one's orange and this is yellow? And then we have what? Orange. Good job.
Orange.
And what?
Gray.
Yellow.
I can rest all your
So, a pattern is something that repeats itself over and over again, right? Right? Okay, so today we're going to make patterns. So today we're going to make patterns, but we're going to use something, but I need you to help me figure out what it is. It's a type of fruit. Sometimes they're red, sometimes they're green. Good job, you're a great guess. So I have a red apple, and I have a green apple. Now, sometimes the apples can be sweet, and sometimes they can be a little sour. So today I'm going to let you taste the difference between the two. Do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to taste a little piece of the apple so that everybody can see how they taste.
Disgusting.
You don't like apples?
Yeah.
When they taste sour?
Yeah. Are you crazy?
So you guys can taste it. You can't buy it because we're sharing them, right? So we have to share them. I'm just cutting a little piece. So we can all taste it and see how they taste.
Oh, sour.
Okay.
I take the trouble.
So I want you guys to each take one of these and wipe your hands. So you can taste the apple. Okay. So I'm going to give everybody a red apple and a green apple.
I'm wiping my hand.
You're wiping your hands?
I'm wiping my hand.
Okay, when you're done, you can give me your wipe. And then you can taste your apple.
Yeah, I don't know.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Taste them.
Taste them. Can you tell me the difference between the two?
Sour.
Sour. So the green one is sour. How about the red one? It's spicy? Or is it sweet? It's sweet. You ate both? Well, how were they? Okay, so today for our activity, you can go ahead and eat the other apples. And you can put them all on the plate for me. Put them on the plate for me when you're done. Maybe after the activity is finished. You all finished with yours? No, you're still working on them? You finished? All done. Okay, so now we're going to work together to create our own apple patterns. You're almost done? You finished? Here you go. Okay, so we'll wait a couple minutes for you to finish.
I got this one.
You got that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, look at Daddy. I got a grandma.
Okay, so let me help you
I
open
got a
it.
granddaddy. I know
You do?
I
You got it?
My granddaddy is handy.
You got yours out? Okay. Then
How you know
put
my
the baggies in
granddaddy?
the middle.
How you know my granddaddy?
Okay, so now we're going to make a pattern. So I have the same apples that you guys have, right? So now I want us to create a pattern. Can you tell me what color to start with?
Orange.
You mean red?
Red.
Red. And then, so now we have red. So everybody put your red down. Put your red apple down, the one that matches my color. Okay?
Red.
So now what color should I use next?
Green.
Green.
I got green right here.
You got green? I see you.
Are you putting them?
Put them on the table. There you go. So now we have red and green. What's our next color going to be for our pattern?
Green.
You sure?
Red.
Is it starting with red? Red. Good job.
Red.
So now we have what?
Green.
Red,
Red.
green, red. Can everybody repeat that after me?
Yes.
Oh, you finished it. Okay, so now the last color is what?
Green.
Good job.
Green.
Okay, so now we have what? Say it with me. Red, green, red, green. Now we created a pattern twice. Okay, so now what I want you guys to do is, I want you to take your apples and I want you to show me your own pattern. Can you do that?
One.
I see yours. Can you make another
Two.
one?
Hey.
What color should you start with this time?
We got to eat some more apples.
You like green? So let's start with green. And then what goes next?
Three.
Okay.
8, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I see your pattern. It looks good.
Cat. Green. Red. Cat.
Let me see your pattern. Can you make a pattern for me?
Stop telling me about I'm going to make my pattern. Tea. 4.
So what's your pattern?
1, 2, 3, 4.
We're not counting today though. I need to see your pattern. Can you show me your pattern? Put them in a line. Straight across. Can you do that for me?
Yes.
Let me see.
Green. Green. Green.
So now can we lay them on the table flat? You said green, then this one, then green, then this one. So that's your pattern, right?
Yeah.
You have the same pattern as she does.
See, I got the same pattern.
I like your pattern. Your pattern's different. You have what? Can you tell me what you have?
Yes.
What are the colors?
I got one. What? Green. Red. Green. Red.
You got to read it straight across. So we have what? Let's point here.
Red.
What color is that?
Red.
And then
I want red. 8.
red. Okay. And let me see yours. Yours looks like the one we already did.
Green.
Nuh-uh. What color is
I'm
that?
about to put them in the line. Red. Green.
Okay. So now that we've all created different patterns and we've only used 2 colors, what if we add another color? How about we add yellow?
Yellow.
So when we add yellow, can we make a different pattern? So I'm going to give you 2 yellow ones. And I want to see you make another pattern with the yellow.
Well, you want to get some? You want to get some? Or your other one? Green.
Here it is. So now we have yellow.
Yellow. We got yellow.
So
Red.
let's see.
Yellow.
How about we work together and use the yellow? So what color should I start with this time?
Green.
Green? Okay. So if I start with the green one, what should be my next color?
Yellow.
Yellow? And then what should be my next color? Since we already used green and yellow. Red. Okay, now wait a minute. So now what colors do we have?
Green.
Yellow,
Yellow.
and red, right? So what color will come next? Good job.
Finish.
And then what color comes next?
Yellow.
Good job. And then what color comes last?
Red.
Red. Well, I am so glad that you guys participated with me today.
Like that.
So can you guys take your apples and put them in the middle of the table for me?
No.
Middle of the table for me. Thank you. We just put them in the middle of the table. And thank you for working with me today. You got them? Okay, now we're going to play like we're little worms and we're going to slither back into the classroom. Can you guys do that? You know how to be a worm? Can you show me? We're worms. Okay, so let's slither back into the classroom.
Hey, everybody.
I'll hold the door for you.
Huh?
I'll hold the door for you. Come on, little worm. You gotta slither. You gotta slither. There you go. Oh, you stopped at the same one?